my hedgehog toy, but you sure are a great toy.
Hi, Cleo. Cleo, you found my bunny squeak toy.
Mrs. Diller just, bought this toy for me.
Oh.
Sometimes it seems like making up a story will make things turn out the way we want them to.
I don't really feel like playing right now, guys.
But most of the time, it's a much better idea to just tell the truth.
T-Bone, wait. This is your bunny squeak toy, T-Bone.
But you said Mrs. Diller just bought it for you.
I made that up. The toy belongs to you.
Thanks, Cleo.
Telling the truth isn't always easy, but it is always the right thing to do. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is be truthful.
For the moment of truth, please check out PBS Kids on the website and check out Clifford the Big Red Dog's Scholastic book. Remember, it only takes a little to be big. Clifford says be the best red dog on your block. Visit your local library to discover all kinds of books, both big and small.
Dig out more fun with Clifford and his friends at pbskids.org.
Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn grant from U.S. Department of Education for by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.